While managing your program, you will likely encounter situations where you'll need to correct transactions. A correction refers to the process of adjusting a publisher's commission for a particular transaction, typically to account for product returns, cancellations, or incomplete orders. Corrections can only be made to transactions in a new or extended status, so it's important to make corrections before transactions hit their respective locking date, determined by the life cycle in program terms. For programs that operate on the standard locking lifecycle, transactions lock automatically at 2 a.m. Pacific time on the 11th of the following month, so corrections must be made by the 10th of the month in order to be processed appropriately in that month's payout cycle. For custom action life cycles, transactions will lock for payout after the set number of days. For example, if you have a 30-day locking cycle, an order that posts on July 15th will lock on August 14th. Corrections are made to the transaction sale amount, and the publisher's earnings are automatically adjusted according to their program terms. If the transaction includes multiple items and only one or some of the items need to be corrected, for example, if the customer bought 2 items and returned one, you can adjust the transaction by individual items. Corrections can be made manually. To do this, navigate to the Reports Transactions tab and use the Quick Search function to identify the individual order you want to correct. Click on the commission ID for that transaction, and a window will open displaying details of that order, including each item in the order. Click the pencil icon next to each item's quantity or sale amount per item to edit. Select the correction reason from the drop-down menu, and then once each item has been corrected, click Save. You also have the option to submit corrections in bulk by submitting a data file. Visit our developer portal and contact CJ's support team to set up your corrections file. Once corrections have been made, you can view them in the commission detail report by utilizing the Corrected Amount option. Notice that corrections are displayed as a separate line item from the original transaction. Corrected amounts will have the same order ID as the original transaction, but a different commission ID.